Time-traveling twins. Written by Young Learners Curriculum. Level B1. An adventure through time, trust, and ancient secrets. On a rainy afternoon, Max and Mia were helping clean their grandfather's attic when they discovered a strange machine behind an old trunk. It was covered in dust, but its buttons glowed a soft green and blue. A label on the side read, "Time travel device, do not touch." Max raised an eyebrow. "Do you think it works?" Mia smirked. "There's only one way to find out." Before Max could protest, she pressed the green button. In an instant, the room vanished. The twins opened their eyes to a world of golden sunlight and endless sand. Towering pyramids loomed in the distance, and camels plodded down dusty roads. People in white robes passed by, their arms adorned with gold. A boy around their age approached, holding a scroll. "Hi, I'm Nefri, a royal scribe," he said. "You're near the Temple of Ra." Max looked at Mia. "We've traveled back in time." Nefri looked anxious. "There's a problem," he said. "Two pharaohs believe the other is stealing gold. But they're both wrong." He unrolled a second scroll. "This scroll proves the truth, but the one with proof is missing." "We can help," said Mia. "Where did you last see it?" "Near the falcon statue by the temple," Nefri replied, lowering his voice. "But be careful. The tomb nearby is cursed." Max gulped. What could possibly go wrong? The tomb was damp and silent. Shadows danced on the walls as their torches flickered. Symbols and drawings, hieroglyphs, covered every surface. "Wait," said Mia. "This looks like a riddle." Nefri read it aloud, "To find the truth, follow the light. The key is hidden out of sight." Max noticed a narrow beam of sunlight touching a tile that he stepped on it. The ground rumbled as a secret door opened. Behind the door lay the missing scroll, resting on a stone pedestal. Mia reached for it, but as soon as she did, the door slammed shut behind them. "We're trapped," said Max, adjusting his backpack. Nefri scanned the walls. These symbols match the falcon statue. It's a puzzle. The three worked together, moving stone blocks until, click. The door creaked open just in time. Back at the temple, the scroll revealed the truth. A greedy merchant had tricked the pharaohs to steal treasure. With the truth exposed, peace returned. "You are true heroes," said Nefri. "Thank you for your courage." Suddenly, the time medallion appeared and it began to glow. "Looks like it's time to go," she said. In a flash, they were back in the attic. Max looked at her and smiled. "Ready for our next mission?"